How to turn off Instagram stories sharing to Facebook. Hello everyone, welcome back to another quick tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can turn off Instagram story sharing on your Facebook. To do that, first thing first, you have to launch your Instagram app. And from here, you want to head over to your profile. Once you get to your profile, just tap on the 3 line at the top right. And now you just have to head over to your account center. Then you will see this option on connected experience called sharing across profiles. Just tap on it. From here, choose your Instagram account. All of your connected accounts will be shown right here. And here you see option like automatically share. So your Instagram post will automatically be shared to your Facebook, and your Instagram story will automatically be shared to your Facebook as well. To turn it off, just toggle these options off and then you're good to go. You can choose your Reels section as well. You can set it up as well. Essentially, you just want to turn this one off so that your Instagram story won't be shared to your Facebook. I hope you found the video helpful. If so, hit the like button below and subscribe to the channel. I will see you guys on the next one.